Good day, this is SmartWatchSpecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. As you can see here, we have the WS-X9 Ultra Smartwatch, a 7+1 Ultra Smartwatch. And we are already paired with the Fere applications, as you can see here. Okay, we are paired already with the support app. Okay, we are now connected. As you can see, we have the battery 89%. This time we are going to check on the available watch faces for the smartwatch. So this wearable, the WS-X9, is already preloaded with watch faces. And of course, we are going to check on that. Okay, we are going to explore the world of dials or watch faces. We have here the dial settings, and we will check on the additional watch faces for the smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this video review, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your questions if we do have that time. Okay, let's start. Let's check first the available watch faces on this wearable. So you can use the crown button here. Okay, it's the rotary button to browse on the or change the watch face. Let's count. We have 1, 2, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8. We have at least 8 watch faces. So it is a combination of analog, digital watch faces. There are some familiar watch faces and there are some new ones for the smartwatch. Okay. Here on our smartwatch or on our smartphone, on the Fere application, we have the dial settings. So tap on it, load, and we have here a category, dial center and custom dial. So we will focus first here on the dial center. So the watch faces here, the list of watch faces is categorized into cartoon, number, simple, mechanical, dynamic, business, female, festival, landscape, multifunction, and set. That's good. Okay, so let's check first with the number. Let's explore. It's now loading. So we have here different types of colorful watch faces. Okay, so it's pretty loaded here on the number. Okay, we have a comprehensive list of watch faces. I'm going to pick this one. Let's pick this one later on. Okay, this is just the number. Okay, remember, this is just the number and we already have, okay, comprehensive list of watch faces, as you can see. Okay, let's go back. How about our cartoon? Let's see. Let's check on the cartoon section. It is loading, still loading. It's a bit slow, as you can see here. Okay, or maybe it's because of our internet connectivity. Again, let's go back and load the dial section. Okay, so it's now loaded. Let's see, we have Mickey Mouse here. And I think that's it. Okay, we still have some. I think that's it. These are the list of cartoon watch faces. Go back. Let's check on the dynamic. It's loading. Okay, so here are the dynamic. Okay, only have one page here. Then go back. Let's check on the last one. Let's see here on the multifunction. So refreshing. Okay. Beautiful looking watch faces here. Okay, but only limited. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so let's go and let's try to download the watch face. Let's go to the number section. Again, let's pick that one, the bright colored watch face. This one. Okay, so let's try. We have here the word preservation. I don't know what the meaning of this. Maybe load. This is where you, this is the button to load the watch face. Okay, but I don't know why they use the word preservation. Tap on this button. Let's see. It should be download or something. Okay, we have here. It's already loaded. And it's very fast, as you can see here. That's it. Nice. Very fast. Okay, let's adjust the screen display here. Nice looking watch faces, as you can see here. That's very fast. Okay, I'm impressed. Let's have another one. Okay. Let's see if the same result. Yes. Okay. It is certainly very fast. Okay, when it comes to downloading watch faces. Okay, it is one of the fastest, okay, downloading of watch faces we have here at Smartwatch Specifications. Okay, let's see. We still have the yellow watch face. Okay, or the bright one. No. Okay, you can only, seems like you can only replace one watch face. Okay, so far no issues. In fact, we have a very good list of watch faces, and at the same time it is very fast when downloading. Okay, let's go with the custom dial. Okay, we have here, okay, some options. So I guess this is what the watch faces will show. Select picture, we have the fan color and the text direction. Okay, so here is our picture. Then sure. And what's this? The background. Okay, let's pick confirm. Okay, so that is the text color. Okay, let's pick a darker one. Red, that's the best color. Okay, so that's it. Lower right, middle, and let's see, preservation. It's now loading. Let's see if the same with the custom watch face. Yes, it is fast. As you can see here, much better than the other applications. 41, 44, 50, and let's see, we're more than 50% now. 81, 85, 86, and I think we're done. And that's it. So here's our custom watch face. Okay, so we have successfully downloaded a watch face from a dial center as well as a custom dial. Okay, that's good. So far, no issues with the downloading of watch faces for our WS-X9 Ultra Smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this video, especially on the demo of watch faces, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your questions. We do have the time. Bye.